Hello and welcome to the video. Today, I'll guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to perform a split test with MailerLite. It's easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, check out the link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or quickly log into your account. First, click on the Campaigns tab, then select Create Campaign. Next, choose A/B Split Campaign. Fill in the required details to set up your campaign, and once all fields are completed, click Next, Content. Choose a template and design your email. After making your changes, click Done Editing. Finally, review your email to ensure everything is correct and your email is ready to be sent. Before we finish up, I want to invite you to a free training webinar where you can learn how to earn high-ticket commissions while growing your email list at the same time. It's completely free, so be sure to grab your spot by clicking the link in the description below. We're glad you enjoyed watching our videos.